Can I have a coffee? Do you have Wi-Fi? Where's the bathroom? If you find yourself in a French cafe and your mind goes absolutely blank, then come to the front. Let's change that. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to ask for anything in French so you can survive and sound confident. From cafes to restaurant to everyday life and even asking for direction, for example. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first and simplest way to ask a question is to change your voice. You say a normal sentence, but your voice goes up at the end of the sentence. For example, tu prends un café. Tu prends un café. Now raise your voice at the end of the sentence. Tu prends un café. Tu prends un café. And it's already a question. Second example. Tu habites ici. Tu habites ici. Tu habites ici. Tu habites ici. Last example. Tu travailles aujourd'hui. Tu travailles aujourd'hui. Tu travailles aujourd'hui. Tu travailles aujourd'hui. See? Very simple. However, it's important to know that these kind of questions are very common in spoken French, between friends or in casual situations, not in a formal situation. So if you're in a cafe, for example, and you want to know if they have tea, you can ask, vous avez du thé? Vous avez du thé? You realize I used vous. Vous is for people you don't know. Vous is for people you don't know. Second example, vous avez des croissants. Vous avez des croissants. And remember our question about Wi-Fi. Vous avez le Wi-Fi. Very simple, right? The second way to ask for something is to use est-ce que. Est-ce que. This method has a magic formula. Est-ce que plus the subject or the subject pronoun plus the verb. It translates to English as do, does, is, or are. For example, est-ce que tu prends un café? Est-ce que tu prends un café? Are you having coffee? Est-ce que vous avez le Wi-Fi? Est-ce que vous avez le Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? Est-ce que tu habites ici? Est-ce que tu habites ici? Do you live here? You can use est-ce que in any situation. It's very clear and very polite. Now let's look at the third and final way to ask questions in French. But before that, if you've watched this far, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications every time there's a new video. The third way is by using question words. Just like English. Where, où, when, quand, what, quoi ou que, which, quel. Just like est-ce que, question words also have a magic formula. Question word, verb, subject. For example, où sont les toilettes? Où sont les toilettes? Quand ferme le café? Quand ferme le café? Quel est le mot de passe du Wi-Fi? Quel est le mot de passe du Wi-Fi? To sound more polite, don't forget the magic word, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Please. Où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît? Quel est le mot de passe, s'il vous plaît? Now let's practice a bit. How do you say, what do you have for dessert? Vous avez quoi en dessert? Vous avez quoi en dessert? How about, where are the napkins? Où sont les serviettes? Où sont les serviettes? Last question. Are you open today? Are you open today? Est-ce que vous êtes ouvert aujourd'hui? Est-ce que vous êtes ouvert aujourd'hui? That's it for today. I hope you found this video interesting and you learned something. Please comment below which question you learned today. Subscribe to get more practical French, and of course share this video with your other friends who are learning French. See you in my next video. À bientôt!